Good day once again, my name is Graphics. Let's look at this example. If I have x squared plus y squared is equals to what? 1. And I'm told to differentiate. Now if I differentiate x squared, I'll be having 2x. And if I differentiate y squared, I'll be having 2y. But because I'm differentiating y, I'm going to put the y over what? The x. All together. So I'm going to put the y over what? The x. And if I differentiate 1, I'll have 0. Now your aim is to make the y the x the source of the formula here, right? So I'll be having my 2y into bracket the y over what? The x equals to what? Minus 2x. And the y all over the x is equals to what? If you divide both sides by 2y, to be minus 2x over what? 2y. So 2 will equate to, so my dy over the x will be equals to what? Minus x all over y. That is my answer. So taking. Also, another example here. If I have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals to what? 2. Now we know if I differentiate x squared, I'm going to be having what? 2x. And also, if I differentiate 2xy, now when you look at this, you look at the three of them here, they are multiplying each other. So either you take 2x as one entity or you take 2y as one entity. So like let's deviate a little bit. Now that is product rule. I have 2xy, right? I say let u be equals to what? 2x and v be equals to what? Y. So if I differentiate my du over the x, I'm going to have what? 2. And if I differentiate my dv over the y, I'm going to have what? 1 dy over what? The x. Are we good now? So from here, if I impute this formula, I'll add this to, since it's product rule, because you don't have to cram your formula. So I'll be having the u over the x plus the v over the y, right? Since there's u here, I'm going to put v here, and since there's v here, I'm going to put u here. So when I bring my 2, this v is what? V is y. My du over the x is what? Is 2. Plus u is what? 2x. My dv over the y is what? 1 divided over the x, which is something like saying the y over what? The x. Are we good? So in the long run, we're having 2y plus 2x dy over the x. So it is this we are going to put to replace this. So then we will be having 2y plus 2x dy over what? The x equals to what? Over the x plus 2y also dy over what? The x equals to what? 0. So in the long run, I'll be having my 2x plus 2y, right? Plus the y over this is common here. The y over the x, open bracket, and you'll be having 2x plus 2y equals to what? 0, because the y over the x times 2x will give you 2x over the x. The y over the x times 2y will give you 2y over the x. Now I'll take this to the other side. So I'll be having the y all over the x into bracket 2x plus 2y equals to minus 2x minus 2y. Because when 2x come here, become minus 2x. When 2y come, become minus 2y. So if I divide both sides by 2x plus 2y, my dy all over the x will give me minus 2x minus 2y all over 2x plus 2y. So in a nutshell, If I factorize what's common here, minus 2 is common, I'll be left with what? X plus y all over what is common here, 2 is common, I'll be left with what? X plus y. So in a nutshell, x plus these two, they will equate each other. So I'll be left with what? Minus 1, because x plus y will equate x plus y. 2 will equate 2, so I'm left with what? Minus 1. So my answer there is what? Minus 1. Are we good?